And we are demystifying the installation process here at LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology. We put nylon in the headrest and these two pieces for these ones. And there is vacuum, yes, there is all kind of gigs to do this stuff. We just go by hand. We are practical. Then we have our U-shape clip. You can time me if you like. There it goes. Should make a competition for this. How long? 1 minute? There you go. 2. These little ones are tricky. You have to get one corner first so you can lock. Otherwise, it's not gonna lock. Yes. Or is that too small? It looks like. But it will fit. Like always does. Like and subscribe for our YouTube audience. If you are interested in upgrade to leather, give us a call. Let's see it like this. Like this. All right. Next one. It's all about the corner, guys. One corner got in, the rest will follow. And we are demystifying the installation process here at LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology. It's not that difficult, and you will have fun.